Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll share with you a tip that is going to clear any spots you may have on your hands. If you have spots from maybe wounds or scars, this remedy is going to help clear all of that and give your skin, your palms, your hands very smooth and very free from spots. Whatever kind of spots you may have on your hands, this remedy is going to help get rid of all of it completely. If this is your first time watching this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give this video a huge thumbs up. To prepare this remedy, we'll make use of lemon juice and salt. To my bowl, I'll add 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice, one, 2. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of salt. The next thing we'll do now is to stir our ingredients together. It is ready. So to apply this remedy, go ahead and massage it all over your hands. Wherever you have spots on your hands, just massage it everywhere. You massage for 5 minutes and allow this to sit on you until it's completely dried. You can also massage your palms if you have dry palms. Massage in a circular motion just like this. So after it's completely dried, you go ahead and rinse your hands with water. You repeat this remedy 4 times in a week for about 2 to 3 weeks for best results. Try and be gentle with the massage so that you won't injure yourself. Just go in really gently and soft. So after the second application, you realize how soft and tender your hands will be, and it's also going to be free from the marks, the spots and scars you may have on your hands. So guys, here you have it. Just go ahead and try this at home and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Give this video a huge thumbs up because definitely it was very informative and useful to you. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos and you will be notified when I upload new videos on this channel, because I upload very informative and useful videos just as this one on this channel on a daily basis. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.